Here I've got Umidigi Z2, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first let's open list of all apps, then find and select the settings, go to System, and then find and pick Languages and Input. Here smoothly by tapping on Languages and tapping on Add a Language, you can come along with the whole list of languages. So scroll down, locate the one that you would like to apply, and smoothly tap on it. So for example, if you would like to activate Croatian, just select it. Now pick the region and then slide it up to the first place to make it a default language. And as you can see, now the whole device is in Croatian, so you can smoothly use your device in your native language or in some other language that you want to learn, to practice. And then whenever you would like to change it again, open the settings one more time. Here they are. Then go to System, select Languages and Input, go to the Languages and slide the language that you would like to have to the first place. So in my case that would be English. And if you would like to remove those languages, click on Remove here, mark them and delete those that you would like to get rid of. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.